This golden bird, this golden bird. As the sun begins to rise, the day has finally come. This chanting bird prepares its wings and flies away into the sun. And through the years, this bird has learned to fly, guided by the Father's own design. Without a fight, it took the fight, and it was free. It was free. Come this far. God bless this land, our home of pride. This flag we fly across the seas, through mountains high. This golden bird has flown throughout the years. Unselfish hands that serve us gracefully. Diversity in love we stand. We rejoice in freedom given to us. We love our homeland, Papua New Guinea. We've come this far. God bless this land, our home, our pride. This flag we fly. This flag we fly across the seas, from mountains high. This golden bird is gone throughout the years. Unselfish hands that serve us gracefully. Diversity in love we stand. We rejoice in freedom.